Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my April 2020 Sacred Space Crate. Protection. Ooh la la. I can't wait to look at that, but first I look at this. Very beautiful. It's got the moon signs. I also put this in my journal and on my calendar at work. But this is really nice because it's got all the information. So it's got what the moon is in each sign. Pluto's fixing to go retrograde. So very nice. Yep. Very cool. I smell something in here that I smelled in the other box too. I don't know how to identify it. This is very nice. It might be this. It's like a clean soap smell. Oh my goodness. I think that says Om, but I don't read Sanskrit, so we'll have to see. Ooh, so nice. This looks like maybe a shungite or some kind of protective stone bracelet. I don't know. My first thought is shungite, but it could be onyx. It could be tourmaline. I don't know about tourmaline. It's not very shiny, but I like it. I definitely need some of that. My favorite part. Oh, salve. It's yarrow. It doesn't ever smell like anything, but I always smell it. But I love this kind of medicinal stuff. I'm getting quite the little collection, and I love it. That was one of the major reasons that I purchased this box in the first place. Ooh. Look at this beautiful. What am I looking at? I don't know. I like the size of it. Ooh. Yes. We got some black salt. Very nice. I love the size of these containers. Now this size container, I was able to find a little like dresser thing for. I need to load everything up, but I haven't had time to put it up since Christmas, which has been, I will get it up. It's just like everything in its time. Ooh, this is like, it's got lavender. Oh, it smells good. Lavender at the very least, I would say, but I can smell other things. I wonder if that was a marking. Very cool. I love that very much. All right, let's see what this is. I like the big mesh bag, so that's gonna go in my collection. But who am I kidding, guys? They all go in my collection, so. Alright. This one has 2 protective layers. Let me see. What? Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Oh, Melissa. Oh my God. This is beautiful. I think it belongs to my husband though, but he's gonna love it. I love this. Oh, I love this. Wow. Melissa, what the heck? This is a great box. Okay. And it's got this beautiful box in it too. This has got, oh my God. We got, is it cedar or juniper? I'm not sure. I should be able to, but this of course is beautiful sage and Palo Santo. This is amazing. I love it. Oh my God, I love it, Melissa. Okay, I'm so excited. This box was curated for protection using Native American magic. I was raised with the teachings of Native American witchcraft, therefore it was important to me to share some basic protection practices with you. The lore of the Native American Indians is rich with symbolism and mysticism. They were the first people to inhabit this country, and they lived in harmony for many years without distraction or discord. Their deep respect for nature shaped their culture, their faith, and their morals. The beliefs and rituals of the Native American people are powerful and full of deep meaning. Native American Indians believed that all things contain a power within us. This power is not limited to human beings alone. It resides in animals, trees, rocks, mountains, and even the air and clouds. All animals are considered magical by Native Americans. Each type of animal is believed to manifest a different kind of magic. The traditional worship practices of the Native American Indians include rhythmic song, drum beating, and dance. References to nature and animals are woven throughout the rituals that the tribes perform. The underlying principle in all Native American ritual is that of connection. The connection of people to animals, of animals to nature, and of all things to the Great Spirit. Consider the creator of all things, the Great Spirit, is the supreme deity of the Native American Indians. Similar to the God referred to by many Western religions, the Great Spirit is seen as the all-powerful ruler of the universe. Native American tribes believe deeply in the importance of worship and in the sanctity of the Great Spirit and his power. Native American witchcraft takes these beliefs and practices and dives deeper into the magic. Of course, just like all witchcraft, it has also evolved into modern-day practices like using sage instead of cedar to cleanse and purify a space. The items in this box will give you a few basic as well as unique items for protection. American Indian Athame. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I love it. I personally spellcrafted these Athames for you this month. Athames are used in rituals to draw magical symbols or to draw blood with the point in sacrifices. I always keep mine on my altar to symbolize protection. Each Athame is custom made, so no two will be the same. Your Athame is uniquely yours. It has chosen you. Treat it with respect because it's a powerful magical item. Beautiful. I have not consecrated these because it is such a personal item. I believe it should be done by you. The handles are made with deer antler. Oh, I can feel that. The stag is the king of the forest, the protector of all other creatures. The blade is an arrowhead. Native Americans believe the arrowhead can deflect negative energy. I think it's shale. Is it shale? I think so. Pheasant feathers are wrapped around the handle to represent connecting the heavens to the earth. The feather carries your magic up to the heavens and back down to the earth, therefore drawing both earth magic and magic from the Great Spirit. The black onyx stone bead is protection for the holder of the Athame, and the tiger's eye stone bead is for both protection and connecting with the earth. Wow, this is amazingly beautiful, guys. I love it. It's heavy, it's sturdy. I mean, it feels good. Carved wooden box. I love wooden boxes, me too, to keep my magical items and smudge sticks safely in. The wood used to make this box is from a mango tree, which is known for granting wishes, making it a perfect manifestation box as well. Because of the halt in manufacturing in India where these are made, I was unable to collect enough of the same box, so you will receive one of the three styles. Om symbol box. I know this is Om. I believe so. The Om connects you with the universe and everything in it. Triquetra and the Algiers runes of Null. This was perfect. That's my favorite. Smudge sticks. The smudging ceremony is a custom of Native American and other indigenous cultures. I'm so sorry. For centuries. Oh, I lost my place, guys. I'm sorry. For centuries, many cultures have used smudging as a way to create a cleansing smoke bath that is used to purify the body, aura, energy, ceremonial or ritual space, or any other space and personal articles. Smudging is performed to remove negative energy as well as for centering and healing. Our bodies and environments are not only physical but vibrate with invisible silent energy. Smudging calls on the spirits of sacred plants to drive away negative energies and restore balance. Our most popular chant/song while clearing out an area is Huma Huma Heshna Na, pronounced just as it's spelled in English. Repeat this chant while smudging until you feel the energy change in the room. To raise the vibration, sing the words. Sage, made with a powerful cleansing herb, white sage. Burning sage, also known as smudging, is an ancient spiritual ritual. I planted a whole bunch of this. I hope it comes up. Smudging has been well established as a Native American cultural or tribal practice, although it isn't practiced by all groups since it was initially brought to America from European countries. Smudging has long been used to connect to the spiritual realm or enhance intuition. For healers and lay peoples in traditional cultures, burning sage is used to achieve a healing state or to solve or reflect upon spiritual dilemmas. This may have some scientific basis too. Certain types of sage, including salvia sages and white sage, contain thuhone. Research shows that thuhone is mildly psychoactive. It's actually found in many plants used in cultural, spiritual rituals to enhance intuition. Cedar. Yes, I knew it was cedar. Okay, good. Cedar is the first and foremost medicine, a medicine of protection. It is the original and ancient Native American smudge stick before sage was brought over from Europe. Native Americans use cedar to ward off evil and sickness. This is a great time to burn this around your home. And Palo Santo. Palo Santo is a sacred wood that comes from the magical Palo Santo tree, native to the coast of South America. Its name literally means holy wood, and it is just that. When it is burned, the smoke is believed to have both medicinal and therapeutic healing power. Traditionally, it is burned by Incas, indigenous people of the Andes, shamans and medicine people for spiritual purifying, energy cleansing, and healing. Some of the most well-known Palo Santo uses include inspiring creativity, evoking protection, infusing blessings, and bringing both love and good fortune. It is a powerful tool to use before and during your meditation and or divination. Its uplifting scent helps raise your vibration to bring a deeper connection to the earth and your divine source. Black salt. This spell-casting ingredient is a staple for all kinds of witches. Black salt is a very handy ingredient to have in your cupboard. It can be used for protection, banishing, and breaking hexes. It's useful for driving away anything and everything from depression, nasty spirits, or adding to someone's dish before a road trip or flight. The organic Hawaiian black salt is used for cooking and adds the magical properties of protection, harvested from the Pacific Ocean. It adds a smoky taste and extra health benefits to your favorite dishes. Plus, it can be used externally as a detoxifying scrub or soak. Hawaiian black lava and activated charcoal give this salt its distinctive flavor and color, perfect for everything from soups to stir fries. And because its antioxidant and detoxifying benefits, the naturally occurring trace minerals, it's great for skin, digestion, and overall health. 100% natural, vegan, gluten-free, and kosher certified. This salt obtains its natural color and smoky flavor from lava and coconut shell activated charcoal. Black moonstone, new beginnings, protection, grounding. Wait, I'm sorry. That's this guy. Oops. Sorry, bracelet. Let's put you back where you go. Origin, Madagascar. Black moonstone holds the energy of the new moon and new beginnings. Whether it's the start of a new project, a new pregnancy, or setting new intentions, this is a wonderful stone to connect with. I hope a new pregnancy. We're trying. This is a wonderful stone to connect with during that new moon period. When you work with black moonstone in sync with the moon's cycle, it helps to cut through your internal layers, shedding light on the thoughts and patterns you need to let go of in order to pave your pathway to greatness. It has a gentle, protective, and grounding energy that is not as prevalent in other types of moonstone. Use this black moonstone touchstone as at the start of a new venture to protect and ground you as you move forward. Jet, that's what it is. Jet is the strongest protection stone available on Earth. It is rare and pricey, so I was thrilled to include it in this month's protection box. Basically, all black stones offer protection, but where the black obsidian offers protection first to the masculine energy, Jet offers protection first to feminine energy. Wear this bracelet for protection as much as possible. The beads are 100% jet stone. Black protection candle. Anointed with protection oil and rolled in a very powerful protection mixture of dried lavender and rue. That's what the other smell is. Rue. Burn this candle for protection, but please do not burn unattended. Spell candles with oiled and dried herbs added to them tend to be very flammable, and I'm sure this one is no exception. I place my candle holder in a large bowl of water just to be safe. Also remember to never leave a room during a spell. Yarrow Organic Healing Salve. Yarrow makes a perfect first aid salve. You can use it on bug bites, rashes like poison ivy, or on a wound to stop bleeding. It also has anti-inflammatory qualities. It works great for smoothing and moisturizing dry patches on your skin as well. Should be a staple in your first aid kit. Myrrh. Myrrh is the perfect incense to use for protection magic. It is traditionally used to break hexes and curses as well, or for protection against magical or psychic attack. You can also use myrrh incense to consecrate your magical objects. I have included 7 incense sticks. And then, of course, the zodiac calendar. I hope to find you all healthy during this epidemic. Oops, sorry. I know we are all on edge and trying to keep our sanity stable. Remember that you have a supportive and loving community in all of us. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. I will be doing the unboxing of this box with Kristopher Michaels on his YouTube channel this month. Oh, fun! I will be doing more in depth into the items in this box and the ways to use them in your practice. I appreciate each and every one of you. Next month's theme is Gaia. Very cool. That's really, really sweet. Ooh. O Mother Goddess and Great Spirit, for thine protection I now pray. Let all evil turn away. Protect me night, protect me day, and keep misfortunes well at bay. Oh. You must teach your children that the ground beneath their feet is the ashes of our grandfathers, so that they will respect the land. Tell your children that the earth is rich with the lives of our kin. Teach your children that we have taught our children, that the earth is our mother. Whatever befalls the earth befalls the sons of the earth. If men spit upon the ground, they spit upon themselves. This we know. The earth does not belong to man. Man belongs to the earth. This we know. All things are connected, like the blood which unites one family. All things are connected. Chief Seattle. So that's really beautiful. Definitely, absolutely head over heels in love with this box. Let me move this all back a little bit. I'm sorry. I didn't realize you guys could not see this beautiful contents. I love it. Wonderful box. Excellent timing. I mean, because shit's getting real for some people. For a lot of us. So protect yourself spiritually. Love every item in this box. Love Melissa. Love Kristopher. So I can't wait to check out the channel and get some more deets on what each individual item means. It's going to be probably pretty lit. He's pretty funny. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope, to connect with you guys soon. Love you. Bye.